Hello YouTubers! From Disney Planes, this is the aircraft carrier playset from Mattel. Comes with one airplane, a Jolly Rancher's Dusty Crop Hopper, and best of all, also works with die-cast planes from Mattel. So here's everything that comes in the box. The aircraft carrier, other parts, instructions, stickers, and Jolly Ranchers. Here's a plastic plane full of stickers. Now this is how the carrier looks like with all the stickers in place. On top, you can fly around the tower, land, and take off from the flight deck. Change the landing ramp to slide into the hangar. And here you can store 6 airplanes.